So in today's video, I'm going to share with you where I find all these viral content to repost on my Instagram pages. I have two pages. One is in the basketball niche with 76,000 followers, and another one is in the business and motivational niche with over 6,000 followers. So before I show you where to download all the content that I repost on my page, there is one more thing that is really important that I need to show you first. Instagram right now is no more a photo sharing app. Instagram, if you are only posting photos on your Instagram page, you're gonna miss a lot of traffic on your table. So this is really important. Start posting videos on Instagram, especially on Reels. Instagram are creating these Instagram Reels to compete with TikTok. They are trying to drive users back to Instagram using Reels. Now when you're posting Instagram Reels, you can get 135% reach with Instagram Reels. And this is the best timing for the history of Instagram. You can start growing on your page. So the next question you're gonna ask me is, can I just posting Reels on my page? And the answer is no. I have tried this. I've done the experiment on my basketball page, and I found out when I only post Reels on my page, my reach drop, and you don't want that happen. So Instagram, we have 4 features: Instagram feed, that is for photos, and Instagram videos, and Instagram story, and Instagram Reels. And yes, we need to focus on Instagram Reels. That is the #1 important thing that we need to focus on. But you also need to post the other feature because Instagram wants you to use all the features they have. So you need to post all the features on Instagram so you can have the maximum exposure. So now I'm going to show you where I find all these viral content to repost on my Instagram page. So let's jump onto my computer. I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, the answer is TikTok. And why we use TikTok? Because TikTok are ahead of Instagram about a week. So when you download a video from TikTok, you repost on your Instagram page, you can easily to jump on the trend. So you can start having a lot of views on your Instagram Reels. So what you do is you're gonna go out to TikTok, you're gonna sign up, it's for free, and you're gonna go out to the search bar, you're gonna type in the related keyword that you want to download. For example, I'm in the basketball niche, so I'll type in basketball. Then you're gonna click on videos. So you can see TikTok is already showing you all the viral content, all the viral video on this page. So it's already showing you this video has got 3.5 million views, this has got 5 million, this has got 9.3 million, and there is a bunch of these video. You can click load more here, then you can see even more video. Then you can download this video and repost on your Instagram Reels and start having this account reach and start growing your page. It's just simple as that. And just remember that in your caption, remember to give an original creator a credit and showing where did you get the video from, so you won't run into any trouble, okay? So next, where to find the content for your feed post, for the photos and the videos. So let's jump onto my computer again. I'm gonna show you where to download this content. Okay, so this time we're gonna jump onto Instagram, and we're gonna do is I'm gonna click on the explore page. So this is the explore page. Then it will show up a lot of content that is related to your page. If you are viewing this content from my page, then I'm viewing all the basketball content, so you can see if my explore page is all about basketball. So I can just click on any photos, any video that I like, and I can repost on my page. Because remember this, Instagram Reels are the most important part. So the photos are not that important. So what I do is I just post all the photos that I feel interested, so I just repost on my page. What you can do is you can click on any photos and click on the pages, then go into the pages and find the most viral posts. the post that has got the most like, then you can repost that on your page and also give a credit to the original creator. If your Explore page doesn't show up the content that with your niche, then you can go out to the search bar and search the hashtag. For example, that my page is in the NBA niche, in the basketball niche, so I type in basketball, I type in hashtag NBA highlights, and those will also show up all different kind of content that I can download. So you can also do this way to download content to post on your page. And remember, it's not that important as the Instagram Reels. So just posting and let Instagram knows that you are using all the features on Instagram. So lastly, the story, whether I post my story, the story that I only do is I repost the content from my Reels. I just connect the Reels to my Instagram stories and letting Instagram knows that I'm also using story, and that's it. Because the most traffic are coming from my page is from the Instagram Reels. So the only thing that I focus on is Instagram Reels. And the rest of the feature is just showing Instagram that I'm using all the features. So this is how I find all this viral content to repost on my Instagram page. And if you got value out of this video, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So later on in the future, when I post a video just like today to show you how to grow your Instagram account, then you won't miss out. So I'm Johnson Lin, be motivated and never give up.